Hello and welcome to the video, guys. My name is Brandon, and in today's video we're going to be taking a look at 3 safe stocks to buy right now. You'll hear the term safe stock. You'll often hear the term recession-proof stocks. Reality is, guys, you're not going to find a stock that's truly recession-proof. When the stock market is crashing, when investors are selling their investments, when they're flowing money out of the stock market, the reality is, guys, majority of stocks are going to be hit, but some more than others. So in this video, we're going to have a look at 3 stocks that I think, will fare pretty well during a recession. So let's get into the first stock for this video. It's the company Costco. And this one kind of goes without saying, guys. For a large percentage of the North American population, Costco is their go-to choice for, grocery shopping for their consumption needs. They have almost exactly 750 locations worldwide. The company pays a 1.1% dividend. It is a very well-run company and it's a very solid stock to own in a portfolio. And why would this be considered a safe stock, guys? Well, very typically during a recession, when consumers are less likely to go out and spend, it's very common that, maybe they'd push back that, Mexico vacation that they were planning, or, if they're looking to make a big purchase, like a big flat screen TV, very common that they'd hold back on those purchases. But for the most part, their daily consumption habits, those are going to remain, relatively the same. And let's revisit Costco's business model. They essentially make all of their profits off of memberships. And they've done such a great job at creating, a loyal customer that here in Canada and the US, they have about a 90% renewal rate on those memberships. So even during tough times, the odds of someone going like, oh man, I gotta go cancel my Costco membership, it happens, but for the most part, this company is going to continue to just pull in membership revenue pretty much year round. Also to mention, they've been able to grow their dividend at 13% over the past decade. It's just an all-around very solid company, and it's a great company to own. Moving on to the second safe stock to buy, you got to go with the classic Procter Gamble. And if you guys aren't familiar with the company Procter Gamble, well, you're probably just not aware of it. They're the company that is responsible for all sorts of household products ranging from, Tide to Charmin, Bounty, Gillette, Crest. You look around your house, I guarantee you're going to find some Procter & Gamble products somewhere. And that's exactly what makes it such a safe play. Whether Obama's the president, whether Trump's the president, if it's raining, if it's snowing, man, if we're at war with North Korea, at the end of the day, guys, like my mom used to always tell me, don't forget to brush your teeth and wipe your butt. And not in that particular order. You really can't go wrong with a company like Procter & Gamble. Toilet paper, deodorant, toothpaste, all these household goods, everyone's got to buy them, which results in a very consistent stream of revenue for the company. And not to mention, guys, that Procter & Gamble has always been known to be one of the greatest dividend paying stocks in the stock market. They're currently yielding just shy of 4%. Moving on to the third and final stock for this video, we're going to stay true to the consumer staples sector. It is the Swiss food and beverage giant Nestle. And the ticker you would be looking at here is NSRGY. It trades over the counter. And Nestle is one of my favorite consumer goods companies for a couple of reasons. Firstly, we take a look at this chart. What a healthy growth pattern we see there. This company sells products all over the world, so you're getting a great form of international exposure. They got a great global presence. We of course know how strong of a lineup they have of very well-loved brands, Kit Kats, Nestea, Nesquik, Milo. But really, guys, one of the major positives for me with the company Nestle is the direction of the company. So as of recently, guys, the company's been making more or less a shift to becoming more of a health-conscious company. We see it in their slogan, right? Good food, good life. And that's really important going forward because, as a society, consumers have been trending away from, sugary treats. And what Nestle's been doing is that they've been putting a big focus on bottled water, which is a huge component of their business. Early in the year, guys, we saw them selling off certain aspects. In particular, they sold off their candy division, really to get in line with this the shift of this company. They just recently, very recently worked out a $7 billion licensing deal with Starbucks. They're really putting an effort, really putting a focus in the coffee side of their business, and we'll see how that works out. But one of the major highlights for me that, a lot of people actually aren't aware about is that Nestle is a big player in the pet foods industry. Purina is a huge brand for them, and I just got a cat earlier this year, and I'm starting to realize, man, they'll do anything for their pets, man. It's an industry that just sucks in a ton of money. I mean, the pets got to eat no matter what's going on in the world, and people will spend a lot of money keeping their pets happy. So the fact that Nestle is exposed to this industry is a big plus to me. They've already established themselves as a very well-trusted brand. Like I said, they have a wide international reach, not to mention they currently pay a 3.04% dividend. So guys, those are my 3 safe stocks for this video. Like I said, man, no stock is truly recession proof, but I do think that these 3 stocks would hold up fairly well. And if you were to hold them in your portfolio, I think that would be, a-okay. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, feel free to give it a like, and let me know in the comments out of these 3 stocks, which one was your favorite. I'd probably lean towards Procter Gamble for my favorite, but hey, that's just me. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, feel free to subscribe. I post a video every Monday. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.